A.B. Able seaman or able-bodied seaman. An experienced seaman competent to perform the usual and customary duties on deck. In sailing ships, had to be able to hand, reef and steer. Bailer. Any device for removing water that has entered a vessel. Cable, or cable length. Nautical unit of distance, having a standard value of 1/10 of a nautical mile, 608 feet or 185 meters. Date line. Line on which time zones minus 12 hours and plus 12 hours meet. The time is the same on either side, but the dates are 1 day different, 180 degrees east being a day in advance of 180 degrees west. This line is mainly, but not entirely, on the 180th meridian, varying between 170 degrees east and 172.5 degrees west, to avoid having different dates in a group of islands, or same area of land. Economizer. Economizers are mechanical devices intended to reduce energy consumption, or to perform useful functions such as preheating a fluid. Fairway. Navigable water in a channel, harbor, or river. Galley. Compartment in which cooking and other food preparation is done in ships. Hail. Precipitation of small pieces of ice, or small balls of packed snow, from cumulonimbus cloud. Icebreaker. Steam vessel with bow specially shaped to tread down and break sheet ice, and make a navigable lane. Jacob's ladder. A flexible hanging ladder consisting of vertical ropes or chains supporting horizontal rungs, used to allow access over the side of a ship, either to transfer between the ships or to perform maintenance tasks along the side of the ship. Kedging. A technique for moving or turning a ship by using a kedge. The kedge anchor may be dropped while in motion to create a pivot and thus perform a sharp turn. Lagon. Jettisoned goods that sink and are buoyed for subsequent recovery. Maiden voyage. First voyage made by a new ship after all trials have been carried out and she has been taken into service. Napier's curve. Curved line drawn on a specially designed diagram and passing through a limited number of points on which deviation of compass has been ascertained. Or crutch. A metal, or sometimes plastic, fitting that acts as the fulcrum point of an oar. Usually takes the form of a U shape, with a pin underneath the bottom of the U. Painter. Rope at stem of boat for securing it or for towing purposes. Quadrantal deviation. Compass error arising from induced magnetism in horizontal soft iron. Changes name, east or west, in successive quadrants. Radar. An electronic system designed to transmit radio signals and receive reflected images of those signals from a target in order to determine the bearing and distance to the target. The term is an acronym for radio detection and ranging. Sail. Shaped and fitted canvas, or other material, used for moving a vessel by force of the wind. Tall ship. A large, traditionally rigged sailing vessel. Umbra. The conical shadow that an eclipsing heavenly body has on that side of it that is remote from the light source. Occasionally applied to the dark area of a sunspot. Variation. Angle between magnetic and true meridians at any given position. Watch. A period of time during which a part of the crew is on duty. Xiphias. The common swordfish of the Mediterranean. Has no central fin. Yawl. A fore and aft rigged sailing vessel with two masts, main and mizzen, the mizzen stepped abaft the rudder post. Or an undecked boat, often beach-launched, worked under both oar and sail. Zigzag. To make good a mean course by steering short courses on either side of it.